Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to run a post-hoc test like Tukey post-hoc test in Stata. So in my last video, I have shown you how to run one-way ANOVA test in Stata, and I demonstrated the interpretation of one-way ANOVA table. Um, so what I mentioned is that ANOVA tells us whether there is any difference in group mean. For example, across this group means this age groups, whether there's any difference in group mean in systolic blood pressure. So, but what ANOVA does not tell us that where the difference is. So that's why we need a post hoc test like Tukey post-hoc test, right? So for that, we have a code written in my do file. So this is the Tukey multiple comparison test. So I have already run the code, but I can do it again. Let me explain this code first. And so Tukey multiple comparison test basically start with PW means. PW means pairwise mean. So pairwise means this is comparing mean of a group with pairwise, like for example 20 to 29 against versus 30 to 39, like this. So this actually comparing pairwise, and then your outcome variable, which is BP systole, and then comma over your grouping variable in bracket, and then M compare is multiple comparison, and Tukey in bracket. Okay, so you select it, you select this command in do file and execute the selection and go back to your Stata interface. So as you can see, number of comparisons of age group is 15, but we know originally we had 6 categories in age group variable. However, why do we have 15 categories? Because it's comparing groups against it's a pairwise comparison, meaning that this group is being compared with all other 6 groups, so vice versa, right? So that's why we have 15 group comparisons. And now let us look at this table first and see the first group that is being compared is it's pairwise. That means 30 to 39 versus 20 to 29. So, and then if you look at contrast, the contrast is 2.89. So that is basically the group mean difference. So the difference between these two groups is 2.89. If you look at the ANOVA results, so you look at 30 to 39, 120, and 20 to 29, 117. So about 3. So that's exactly what you're looking at here. So that's the difference, right? So 2.89 is the group mean difference between these two groups. And so is this difference significant or not? So that's what we can see from here. This is Tukey 95% confidence interval. So let me simplify it. So among these two numbers, does this include 0? The answer is no, right? So if the answer is no, if it does not include any 0, this is not 0, right? This is almost about 1, and this is almost about 5. So it doesn't include any 0. So if it does not include any 0, that's exactly when we reject the fact that there is no difference, right? And that says this difference, like about 3, is statistically significant between these two groups, right? So like 30 to 39 age group has this much higher level of mean systolic higher blood pressure than 20 to 29 age groups, right? Age group. So, and that difference is statistically significant. So because this confidence interval does not include any 0, okay? And this confidence, you know this, that we are 95% confident that this number falls between this number and this number, okay? And we are 95% confident about this. So these two numbers does not include any 0. That's why it's significant. So group 30 to 39 has significantly different mean systolic blood pressure than 20 to 29. So if you look at these numbers, you see the bigger differences, so many bigger differences across these numbers, and then also, and it's comparing each group against all other groups, right? And then if you look at here, basically you have to look at here, this column, and you see none of these numbers actually include any zero. So that's why we would conclude that all these comparison groups are significantly different than each other. So because none of these numbers include any zero, not the lower number, not the higher number, the lower limit and upper limit, right? None of this includes zero. So therefore, we conclude that each of the group has significantly different mean systolic blood pressure than the other groups. So that's all for Tukey comparison test. And as I said before, to recap, um, ANOVA test exactly tells us whether there is a mean group differences, right? But does not tell us what the difference is, and that's why we needed Tukey Post-Hoc test, and Tukey test shows us where the differences are, right? So that's all for now. All right, thanks for watching.